Let's talk about making money on Printify. So today, we're diving deep into how to make money with Printify, whether you're totally new to the idea or have tried similar things before. And I really mean we're diving deep. By the time we're done, you're going to know everything there is to know, and hopefully, you'll be well on your way to building a passive income stream with Printify. We're not talking about small-time side hustles here. I've seen people go from earning a couple of dollars to $100 to $1,000 a day, and that's just the beginning. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's break it down step by step. What exactly is Printify? Why should you care? If you've never heard of Printify, or if you're unsure about what it really does, don't worry. That's what I'm here for. Printify is a print-on-demand service. In plain English, that means it's a platform that lets you design products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more, and then they handle everything else for you. And by everything I mean, they print your design on the products. They package and ship it to the customer. They handle the inventory. Sounds great, right? What's even better is that you don't pay for any of this up front. You only pay for the product after it's sold. So there's no risk of getting stuck with a bunch of inventory you can't sell, like you would in traditional retail. You can literally start with $0 in product costs. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to take on a ton of risk. Imagine this. You don't have to worry about buying stock, shipping items yourself, or even handling customer service for the most part. Printify takes care of it all. There are several other print-on-demand platforms that function similarly. Redbubble is one example. But Printify has some unique advantages that make it a top choice for many creators. Printify partners with a network of print providers, allowing you to compare prices and shipping times across different suppliers. This flexibility can lead to lower production costs and provide more control over where your products are fulfilled. Lower production costs equals higher profit margins for you. Printify's suppliers are located around the world, enabling you to ship products to customers almost anywhere, often at more affordable rates. If you're planning on growing your business internationally, this is a significant advantage. Printify offers an extensive range of products. Beyond just apparel like t-shirts and hoodies, you can design everything from mugs, phone cases, and tote bags to home decor and even custom footwear. The variety allows you to target different types of customers and diversify your product line. Now that you know why Printify is a strong choice, let's explore how you can turn it into a profitable business. There are several strategies to make money with Printify, no matter your experience level or time commitment. Let's go step by step, starting with the easiest method. Start selling on marketplaces like Amazon. If you're looking to jumpstart your print-on-demand business, using platforms like Amazon Merch on Demand and Redbubble can be incredibly effective. These platforms have millions of users actively searching for unique, customizable products, making them ideal for creators who want to start selling without having to build their own website. Take Amazon Merch on Demand as an example. This service allows you to upload your designs, and Amazon handles everything from production to shipping and customer service. The best part? You only need to focus on creating eye-catching designs. Let's say you want to sell novelty graphic t-shirts with funny quotes. Once you upload your design to Amazon Merch, it's listed on the platform, and when someone buys it, Amazon prints, packs, and ships the t-shirt. You get a royalty for each sale based on the price you set, minus Amazon's base cost. Similarly, Redbubble is a print-on-demand marketplace where creators upload their designs to be printed on a variety of products such as t-shirts, stickers, art prints, and even phone cases. Redbubble's user base consists of people actively looking for unique, independent artist designs, making it a great platform for creative entrepreneurs. You can upload one design, and Redbubble will automatically apply it to dozens of products, meaning you can make money from a single design across multiple product categories. On Amazon Merch on Demand, the earnings depend on how well your products sell and the royalty you set. Amazon has a base cost for each product, and you decide the selling price above that. For example, if Amazon's base cost to produce and ship a t-shirt is $12, and you sell it for $25, your profit would be $13 per sale, before Amazon's fees. Let's break that down further. If you sell 5 t-shirts per day, that's $65 in daily profit. In a month, you could make $1,950 from t-shirt sales alone. Of course, as your designs gain more visibility, or if you run targeted ads, those numbers can multiply. And since you're not handling any production or shipping, your time is free to create more designs or promote your work. On Redbubble, your earnings depend on how much you mark up the base price. For instance, if Redbubble charges $15 for a mug, and you set a 30% markup, you'd make $4.50 per sale. While the margins might seem smaller than Amazon's, the variety of products, like stickers, hoodies, and prints, means you can earn across multiple categories from a single design. Let's say you upload a design that gets used on a variety of items. You could earn $4 per mug, $2 per sticker, and $10 per hoodie. If you sell 10 mugs, 15 stickers, and 5 hoodies in a day, that totals $95 in daily profit. With consistent sales, it's not hard to see how creators on Redbubble can make anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars per month. And the beauty of it is that once your designs are live, they can generate passive income with little ongoing effort. Alright, so now you know how to sell. But what's next? You need to make sure you're selling designs that people actually want. This is the key to success in the print-on-demand game. The best part is, you don't have to be a world-class designer to come up with winning products. I'll show you exactly how to find ideas and even how to outsource the design work if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Amazon and eBay research. To find designs that are already selling well on Amazon or eBay, start by searching for popular items in your niche. For example, if you're interested in creating motivational t-shirts, type in keywords like motivational t-shirt on Amazon or eBay. Pay attention to the listings with high numbers of reviews, as these are likely top sellers. The number of reviews is a good indicator of a product's sales performance. Take note of the design elements that keep appearing in top listings, like specific fonts, colors, or graphic styles. These trends can give you clues about what customers in your niche are gravitating towards. Once you have a list of ideas, screenshot and save the most popular designs for inspiration. Instagram and TikTok. Both Instagram and TikTok are fantastic places to find trending designs and get inspiration in real time. Search for hashtags related to your niche, such as hashtag fitness apparel, hashtag travel gear, or hashtag funny shirts, to see what's currently trending. Influencers and creators often show off their unique style on these platforms, and you can pick up on what types of designs are resonating with their audiences. You can also explore Instagram Shops or TikTok's For You page to see products that people are promoting and sharing. Pay attention to what's getting lots of engagement, likes, shares, and comments. This can help you spot trending designs that are currently in demand. Society6 is another great platform for researching popular designs. It's similar to Redbubble, but it focuses on art and home decor items. Check out top-selling categories like wall art, phone cases, and home goods. See which styles, like abstract art, watercolor illustrations, or boho designs, are trending. On Etsy, rather than sticking to specific product categories, you can explore the bestsellers section or search for products like custom mugs or t-shirts in your niche. See what's selling well, and don't just look at the visuals. Read the product descriptions and feedback to understand what buyers appreciate about these items. By collecting all of these ideas from different platforms, you'll be able to create products that are more likely to resonate with a larger audience. Once you've done your research, you'll have a solid base of design ideas that are proven to work, which will give you a competitive edge when launching your own store.